Hey everyone, if you want to remove duplicate values from your Excel spreadsheet in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to find and remove duplicates step by step. First, removing duplicates helps clean your data and makes your spreadsheets more accurate. Duplicate entries can affect calculations and reports. Next, open the workbook containing the data you want to clean. Yeah, make sure you've selected the correct worksheet. Now select the cells or entire table that contains duplicate values. Excel needs to know which data you want to analyze. Next, click the Data tab at the top of Excel. So this is where you'll find the Remove Duplicates tool. Click Remove Duplicates to open the settings window. This allows you to choose which columns should be checked for duplicates. If your table has multiple columns, select the ones you want Excel to compare. Yeah, you can check one column or several columns together. Now click OK to remove duplicate entries. Excel will automatically keep one copy and delete the rest. Excel will display a message showing how many duplicate values were removed. This helps confirm that the process worked successfully. If you accidentally remove something important, press Ctrl+Z to undo the changes. So you can quickly restore the original data. Finally, save your workbook to keep the clean data. Yeah, this ensures the duplicate entries stay removed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove duplicates in Excel in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.